Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DirecTV Stream easy access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the official DirecTV Stream website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the page to load. You should now be logged into your DirecTV Stream account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password. For added convenience, consider enabling the Remember Me option. This will keep you signed in on your device for future access. If you're using a mobile device, the steps are similar. Open the DirecTV Stream app instead. Tap on the login icon. Enter your email and password as prompted. Then, tap Sign In to access your account. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on DirecTV Stream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.